So this convoluted mess represents the schematic showing your OEM wiring for the Sprint car with the addition of the new headlight delay relay. This is the new delay relay complete with diodes already built into the assembly. This relay here is representing the OEM headlight relay, and that's going to be completely unchanged. This relay here is representing the changeover start relay. This switch would represent the start switch, and of course this would represent the headlight being on. So now if we connect the battery, that's just going to be like turning the ignition on, and what we have currently is the starter relay will actually be transferring power over to the headlight relay, but the headlight relay will not be on at this point because we've interrupted the power supply to that with the new delay relay. The next step is to operate the starter button. Note that when the starter button is pressed, the light still does not come on. Now the starter relay is transferring the command to the new headlight control relay, which is actually latched on at this point. However, there's no power to the main headlight relay, so the headlight itself remains off. Then when I release the start button, the headlight will come on. And finally, when I turn off the ignition, or remove the battery terminal in this case, the light will go off. If I put the battery back on, turning the ignition back on, it will remain off until we reset the start button again.